My name is Scott Davies. I'm the owner and founder of Hilltop Honey. I started in September 2011, keeping a few beehives at my mum and dad's house. I really got bit by the bug of beekeeping when I first opened a hive, and the noise of them and the sheer volume of them was incredible. When I started, it was very small time. I was selling to veg shops, any local shops, things like that. Within about 12 months, we managed to move from my mum and dad's kitchen, which they were very happy about because I had boxes and honey and tubs absolutely everywhere, to our first unit. Picking your right times to when to know to finance is absolutely crucial. Our first finance helped us expand into whole new premises, buy new machinery, which meant we could go after new customers. That took us then to opportunities with Tesco's, and we just started communications with Sainsbury's as well. In the second financing round we had helped us move to much bigger premises, consolidate all basically our staff and our machinery. We launched new products with different customers, so our capacity needed to grow. And along with that, we employed another 6 people in 4 months. We're going from strength to strength and picking up new customers all the time. The bees, they only make like an eighth of a teaspoon in their entire lifetime. You have to visit 2.5 million flowers, fly 40,000 miles to create a jar of honey. They are seriously cool.